This is not a test.
Alright, what is up guys, Gary here, back from this video. Today we're gonna go ahead and try to shine this frame up. I'm gonna try to get it like chrome gloss color. The only thing is that the reason I have it taken apart was because I was rebuilding the carburetor. As you know, on these YZ450s, you have to take the whole back end off, so that's what I did. So right now that I have it apart, I'm gonna go ahead and try to shine this whole frame up, try to get it all nice and clean, because if you can tell, it is a little bit muddy and messy. I do want to get it nice and clean, because you know this is going to be more of a supermoto type build. I got the bike like this, so I do want to try to take care of it as much as I can. Everything you will need to get started is some application pads. Okay, you're obviously going to need your aluminum polish. Okay, keep that in hand. You're going to need some Scotch-Brite. You're going to need some WD-40, okay? And you're also going to want to get some microfiber towel. You can find all of this at your local AutoZone, O'Reilly's, you know, auto parts store. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and get your WD-40 and get your Scotch-Brite pad, and then just spray it down, just like that. Alright, and then you're going to want to scrub it in with Scotch-Brite pad. That's that WD-40, you see all that? That's that WD-40 working its magic. Trying to clean it up. Then you grab one of your microfiber towels, okay? And you wipe this all off. Alright, and then there you see you have like that metal look now. It's a clean type metal look that you have. Okay. I mean, you could stop here if you like. This will make it look way better. I mean, I really can't show you guys on the other side, but it looks like brushed down, okay? So that's not a bad look. You can also leave it like this if you like. It's not bad. What I like to use, you use your aluminum polish. Okay, this is the brand that I'm using. It's called Mother. You can find this one at AutoZone. I actually found this one at AutoZone, okay? You open it up, just like that. Then you grab your applicator pad. Alright, okay. And then you got some of this shine on there. Put it on there. Smudge it around. Put it around everywhere. Put it around. Then you do the same thing. You just run back and forward, back and forward. Then you got your microfiber towel. Try to get the clean side of it. Okay? Just wipe this all down. That's the mirror right there. And I can still go. I can still do some more.
Yeah, that's clean as well.
Oh guys, if you guys hear something in the background, it's actually Marco. My boy Marco, he was back. Bro, what? Look at that. That is shiny. Yeah, it's pretty shiny. I can still do some more though. You can actually see me in it. But alright guys, let's get pop you guys up. Alright, let's get the other side rolling. Let me get the other side shined up, looking pretty, looking all good. And I'll get back with you guys, alright? Compared to how the other side is, you see how barely, look at all that. And then look at that. Yeah guys, that's a big difference. Right there, boom. Boom.
Big ass difference.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is where I'm gonna end it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see if I can show you guys. It looks pretty good. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Yeah guys, don't forget to stay blessed. Peace out.